Hello, my name is Matthew Jackson. I am a student scientist here at Ecotech Labs. I am in the 6th grade. My career goals are to be an aerospace engineer, and today I will be talking with you about the science behind power distribution board in a drone. I'm going to discuss some key facts of a power distribution board in a drone. So the motherboard controls the motors and sends messages throughout the drone using electric currents that you see throughout the wires. It requires energy to work, like a lithium-ion battery where the port connects to. As you can see, this component right here, you connect that into the battery and it surges power throughout the motherboard and sends it to all the other areas and motors throughout the drone. It tells the motors and speed controllers when to stop and go, when to slow down, when to speed up. Now I will discuss the antennas and the batteries of a drone. So as you can see here, this component, which is called the antenna on this drone, receives the information from the antenna on the controller that sends the messages to the motherboard. So as you can see here, this battery sends power throughout the drone's motherboard. It sends power, as you can see at the demonstration of how this sends power. If you could use this motor, this piece of the motor, it makes the motors move as it would. Key mathematics in the drone's motherboard are voltage, amperage, electric currents, and radio wave frequencies. So voltage is the potential power in the battery, and amperage is basically the base of the electric current, and the electric currents are the power that is passed through the electric circuits throughout the drone. During my research with the drones, I have learned about power distribution boards and how they work. I've learned how to fly the drones effectively. I've also learned about how to calculate voltage and other measurements that are used in a power distribution board. But more importantly, I've learned how to work better in a team-based environment and ask more critical questions.